So let's talk about what makes a good PLR package and what makes good PLR. And the first thing is the PLR should be based on an evergreen or a hot topic. So let's talk about this a little bit. An evergreen topic would be something that people are interested in learning for more than just, a short period of time. Like you could do a product that an evergreen product would be, tips on how to lose weight. Okay, whereas something that would be a hot topic would be like something on the paleo diet or something on a South Beach diet, something that's hot, it's in the news. With internet marketing related things, you know, an evergreen market or an evergreen topic might be on how to build a list, okay? Whereas a hot topic might be something like how to build a list using Facebook or using Twitter, things like that. So make sure you're going with something that's evergreen or a hot topic, okay? Now, another thing that is very important, and it's probably the most important, is it needs to be of good quality and make sense. Now, what I mean by that is generally when you buy PLR, they're going to offer a sample of some kind. Make sure that you watch or read or listen to that sample and make sure that it actually makes sense what they're talking about. You really would be amazed at the amount of low quality PLR material that's out there. And a lot of the reasons that is because it's not written or videos aren't made by people that are actually speaking the native language. And what I mean by that is if there's nothing wrong with using outsourcers from another country, in my opinion anyway. Like I have people from the Philippines that do a lot of work for me, but one of the things that I don't let them do for me is I don't let them write or make any videos where they're actually talking on them because it doesn't sound right, and sometimes the English that they learn or the language they learn isn't native to them. So it doesn't sound quite right and it doesn't read quite right. And if you're selling an English product, okay, and if the person that is actually making it isn't a native English speaker, you're going to run into quality control issues and people generally aren't going to be happy with what they bought. Now, another good thing that makes a good PLR package, and for me this is a must as well, is that it includes a sales letter. One of the things that I dislike about marketing the most is writing sales letter and writing sales material. For most people, me included, that is the hardest part of setting up a product. That's why when I buy PLR, I like to make sure that it has a sales letter. Okay? And I also make sure that the PLR that I buy has a flexible license. And what I mean by that is I want to make sure that I'm able to, claim copyright to this material, claim myself as the author of this material. I want to be able to make changes to the material if I want to. And if you get PLR that has a very inflexible license, you're not going to be able to do that. And chances are you're not going to make that much money.